Welcome to the AI use cases for beginner series. These are short videos that's focusing on tactical ways for you to use AI as a beginner to make more money, to save money, and to save time in your business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to brainstorm and create lead magnets for you to use in your marketing so you can generate more leads. I'm Vin Nguyen, co-founder of WorkSmart AI, an AI growth partner agency where we help local B2B business owners grow using AI. Let's get started. For this demo, let's pretend I own a staffing and recruiting agency that specializes in working with construction companies. Let's go to my Gemini, where I have the prompt already copy and paste. And don't worry, there's going to be the link in the description where you can get all these prompts in my free Skool community. So the prompt says, act as a world-class marketing strategist specializing in lead gen for small businesses. My business is staffing and recruiting agency for construction companies. My target audience is construction companies. Task is brainstorm 3 distinct lead magnet ideas like checklist, mini guide, or template that solve a specific bleeding neck problem for my audience. And then for the best idea, provide a catchy, high converting title, and then outline the 5 key section bullet points that should be included in this lead magnet to provide instant value. And then lastly, write a 2-sentence pitch that I can use on my social media to promote it. And again, make sure you put this on thinking mode before you submit that. All right, let's look at the output. So the first idea is the ghost-proof hiring checklist. Format 1-page PDF checklist. The problem is the bleeding neck here is no-shows. Construction companies spend hours recruiting only for the guy to never show up on Monday morning. The goal here is to provide a step-by-step process for the 48 hours between the offer and the start time to ensure that the hire sticks. That's pretty good. Idea number 2, the project delayed recovery calculator. The format's going to be Excel template or interactive PDF where it solves the problem of financial cost of an empty seat. This tool helps them calculate exactly how much money they lose per day per crew when a specialized role like an HVAC tech or a heavy equipment operator goes unfilled. 15-minute field-ready interview guide. Mini guide cheat sheet. Problem: site managers are busy. They hire anyone with a post only to realize 3 days later that the person cannot read a blueprint or handle the equipment safely. The goal is give them 5 stress test questions and 3 red flags to look for to vet a skill, reliability in under 15 minutes. That's not bad. The winner is the ghost-proof hiring framework. This is what AI is suggesting is the best idea out of those 3. I like that. So here's going to be the title. That lead magnet. The Ghost-Proof Crew, 5 battle-tested strategies to stop new hires from no-shows on Monday morning. And here's the 5 key sections of value, like a 24-hour confirmation script, the red flag filter, the first hour onboarding speed run, the referral hook, and the pay to stay incentive model. All right, the pitch for social media. Let's ask AI now to draft section 3, which is the 5 key sections of value. All right, it's done. So here's section 1. This was the outline. And now we have the content for it. Section 2, the outline was the red flag filter. The content now is the I'll try response. If you ask if they make the commute and they say, I should be able to, or I'll try, mark them as a no. In construction, I'll try is code for, I'm looking for a closer job tonight. Okay, so section 3 and section 4. And lastly, this last section, section 5. So there it is. We just used AI to brainstorm ideas for a lead magnet and then created one, which you can now use to get more leads. If you want the prompt in this video, you can grab them for free in my free Skool community with the link below. Thank you for watching.